How to repost video on TikTok. Firstly, you have to open and install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to select any of the video, and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok account. You have to see there is an option of arrow, click on it, and there are different options will appear here. You can see different options, and we are going to repost our video. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. And you can see there is an option of repost. Just you have to click on it, and that video will be reposted in your TikTok account. Like I am going to repost this video. Now I have to move to my profile. This is an option of repost. Two arrows, it means the video is reposted here. Click on it and you can see your video is being reposted on your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.